How to cook tasty Khajur sweet in 10 minutes. Ingredients for Khajur sweet are 1 cup sugar, 5 cardamom, 1 egg, 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour, half cup rava or suji, 1/4 cup rice flour, 1 teaspoon soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 cup of sugar to mixer. Add 5 cardamom to the sugar and grind it till it becomes powdered sugar.
Is that the batter? Is that the flour?
No, it's not a flour. It's an sugar and then cardamom. Cardamom.
Okay, but it still looks like flour.
Yeah, that's because she grinded it. She blended.
She made her homemade flour.
Sugar? No, it's a sugar powder. It's not flour, it's a sugar powder.
It's powdered sugar?
Yeah.
Add 1 egg to the powdered sugar and mix it again in the mixture until it becomes like a batter. Add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour to the pan.
Yes, she's adding.
1 cup.
Mama is
वो कप उठा ना आगे कप.
Add half cup rava or suji.
Okay, 1 cup of that.
3/4
3/4.
मैंने आधा.
for half.
Add 1/4 cup rice flour. Add 1/4 cup rice flour.
I think she will mix it.
Rice flour.
The cake that she's making reminds me of Twinkies. The cake that she's making reminds me of Twinkies.
Twinkie.
Because it's like, I think it's gonna look like Twinkies, but I think it doesn't look like, it's not gonna look like Twinkies.
Add 1 teaspoon soda.
Soya butter.
Ooh, is that a teaspoon or is that a tablespoon? Is that a teaspoon? A pinch of salt?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought. A pinch of salt. Is that a pinch?
Add 1 teaspoon salt to the pan and mix them well. Later add the powdered sugar batter to the mixture and knead it until it becomes
The
soft.
sugar and the egg. Now she's making a dough out of it. It is.
I thought it just got, she was gonna make a cake with just that. I didn't know she was gonna make a dough.
She's gonna make a dough and then she's fry it.
Okay. She doesn't have an oven here, so she's gonna fry the cake.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Totally not weird.
Add warm oil to the dough and keep it for 15 minutes.
Quickly. Yeah.
ये 15-20 minutes होना है. जरा भीगना.
Marinate. रख डालना.
वो जरा दरी तेल लगा कुछ कैसे
अच्छा.
To make it a little bit hard.
Soft.
सोजी नरम होना ने. सोजी सरो
I want to learn how to cook like a mama.
We can have these videos always, all the time with us. Whenever you forget, we can play and cook. Maybe you can watch this and cook with
As a
yourself.
tutorial.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. And I can do all the work. Mama doesn't have to do anything. Or you can help her.
Yeah.
सखत चढ़ना पानी नहीं रहना. पानी रहते तो तेल घिसटेंगे तेल अगर डालना है तो गरम करके डालना इसमें ठंडा डाले तो तेल घिसटेंगे
अच्छा अच्छा
वो किसमें भी तलने की चीज किसमें भी तेल जरा गरम करके डाले तो तेल कम घिसटेंगे बज्जी हो ये हो उल्टा वड़ा हो क्या भी आइटम तलने का तल रहे तो गरम गरम तेल जरा डुबा को इसमें डालेगा
It still reminds me of Twinkies. Does it remind you of Twinkies?
No.
Reminds me of Twinkies.
अच्छा
दे 15 minutes
Okay, now it's soft.
see just because she kept that for like 15 minutes
It looks less stickier now.
because she had an oil right
Yeah. Oil makes it less sticky.
it does
I thought flour makes it less sticky.
flour is sticky flour with water flour with egg though they are all sticky
I want to try this cake. Oh, it looks like the one in the bakery.
yeah
The
hot cross bun
Yeah, hot cross buns. That's exactly what I was about to say.
Make the dough in small round pieces and deep fry them in the oil until they are cooked well inside.
ऐसे हाथ रखो तेल कड़कता हो
गर्म है
बबल्स आए नहीं ना
आउट ना तेल
नहीं गरम चुपके नॉर्मली गरम होना ये आउट ना नहीं ये हल्लू आंच में तलना बिस्मिल्लाह
Heat the sunflower oil to low medium heat. They should be cooked until they turn golden brown from outside and pale white inside.
स्लो में रख देना
We made 3 batches, one for us, one for neighbors, and one for maid. Monitor the khajur and flip the uncooked side to cook it well.
तो मोटा हल्लू तलने में पका देगा अंदर का भी ये यहाँ रख के बतल लेंगे बहुत है
Voila, the tasty khajur is ready to be served. It is crispy outside, but soft inside. It is home-cooked healthy snack we used to eat in our Zen days. You can try this and serve your family and kids. Instead of junk food, this is a good alternative. Looks so delicious and mouth-watering. It tastes slight sweet and salty. I bet your kids will love it.
The chocolate cake is still better, but it's still yummy.
Really? Yeah. Two more. All.
So like how it is like a vanilla cake.
Do you know, Papa, do you know that vanilla cake that we buy outside and eat?
Yeah.
It tastes like that.
Really? Yeah. Okay. It's like crispy outside but soft inside.
No, I love the inside more.
Me too. Yeah, I like both. The crispiness as well as the soft part.
I like the crispiness when it's sweet. It's like sweet, sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's like different. Bite the inside, it's so good.
Mm.
You bite only the inside.
Mm.
Try that, bite only the inside. Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, it tastes like cake inside.
You like it?
I like it.
It's better than the vanilla cake outside.
Yeah. Whenever you buy when outside food, Mama used to make always homemade. Even muruk, even potato chips.
Huh?
Yeah, we never eat outside everything from out inside.